Dear children, welcome to the Standard 6 Social Science class. Today we will learn Part 2 Geography Chapter 5. All of you take out page number 152. Dear children, today we will discuss about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? And air is a mixture of gases. Atmosphere is the layer of air surrounding the earth. Atmosphere has three main characteristics. 1. Air is a mixture of gases. 2. Air has weight. And 3. The atmosphere exists in layered form. First of all, we will discuss air is a mixture of gases. The atmosphere is made up of a number of colorless, odorless, and tasteless gases. The most important is nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. The other gases which are found in small proportion are oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and ozone. Atmosphere also contains water vapor, dust particles, and pollen grains. Children, see the compositions of air. 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are the life supporting gases. Nitrogen helps in the growth of plants. Ozone protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Carbon dioxide absorbs heat radiated by the earth and keeps the planet warm. Water vapor helps in determining the weather condition. Dust particles and pollen grains are the solid components of the atmosphere that help in formation of clouds and causes rainfall. Now we will discuss air has weight. Atmosphere exerts pressure on the earth. This pressure varies from place to place. The atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. Air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. The moving air is called wind. Next, we'll discuss structure of the atmosphere. On the basis of composition, temperature, and other properties, the atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. The atmosphere extends up to a height of about 1600 kilometers. These layers starting from Earth's surface are called the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere. First of all, we'll see troposphere. What is troposphere? The troposphere is the layer that is closest to the earth and the place where all weather changes occur, such as storms. It contains most of the water vapor and the dust particles present in the atmosphere. 90% of all air is found in this layer. It stretches from the surface to 8 km to 18 km. Second is the stratosphere. It lies about 50 km above Earth's surface. Aeroplanes fly in this zone and air movements is horizontal. It contains ozone layer which absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Temperature increases with height in this layer. Mesosphere. What is mesosphere? It is located about 50 to 80 km above the Earth's surface. Ice crystal clouds are found here. In this layer, the atmosphere becomes non-uniform and meteors or rock fragments burn up. Children, next we'll see thermosphere. This layer stretches from 80 to 85 km to 500 km in altitude. It is electrically charged. This is the place where the space shuttle orbits. This is very hot layer where the temperature of gases is extremely high. Next is exosphere. Exosphere is the outermost limit of our atmosphere. Here the atmosphere merges into space. It lies 10,000 km above the Earth's surface. This is the area where many satellites orbit the Earth. Children, see the layer of atmosphere. Now we will discuss importance of the atmosphere. Point 1. It prevents the sun's radiation from reaching the surface of the earth. Point 2. It prevents earth from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Point 3. It prevents the extremes of temperature during day and night. Point 4. It acts as a greenhouse by keeping the earth's surface warm at night. Point 5. A change in atmospheric pressure causes the movement of air as wind. Point 6. It helps in changing the weather conditions. Point 7. Sound waves are transmitted due to the presence of air. Next we will see biosphere. What is biosphere? The sphere of living organisms where lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet the interact is called the biosphere. Life exists in biosphere. The presence of biosphere on the earth makes it a unique planet, making it pleasant and habitable. Plants and animals are the main components of biosphere. All the members of the biosphere are interdependent and interlinked to each other through land, water and air for their survival. Man is the superiormost member of the biosphere. Compared to the size of the earth, biosphere is very small. In ancient times, human beings were entirely dependent on the environment for their existence and growth. To meet their growing needs, man has disturbed the natural balance by illegal dumping of wastes, cutting down of forests. Pollution increases the amount of carbon dioxide, which increases the global temperature. Therefore, there is a need not to maintain the balance among all realms of the earth for continuation of life on this planet. Children, see, this is the picture. The biosphere reserves are created with an intention to promote and demonstrate a balanced relationship between humans and biosphere. Okay students, thank you.